Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's wig install is going to be for all of you beginners out there who are looking for a realistic hairline type of wig. This wig is perfect for the summer, mostly because of the shortcut bob, but this hairline, you guys, is amazing. This wig is from ILIKEHAIR. This is their 5x5 kinky straight 4C kinky edges pre-cut HD lace short bob wig, and when I tell you guys this wig is giving natural, it's giving natural, and it's so easy to install. So before we jump into today's video, you guys know I have to give you a full unboxing. ILIKEHAIR is definitely known for sending a lot of goodies along with their wigs, especially that beautiful little pin there. I think that was super cute. So here is the wig here. Once again, this is their 5x5 kinky straight 4C edges pre-cut HD lace short bob wig. So right now I'm giving you guys a close-up of those edges. That is what that lace is looking like without even being bleached, and as you guys can see, it's literally blending right in, which is perfect. If you wanted to do a straight out the box wig install and just add some makeup on that thing and just throw it on, you definitely can. This is what the inside of the wig looks like. So of course they have the combs, the adjustable straps at the bottom, and that adjustable elastic band for a full-on glueless wig install. Alright, so just so you guys know, I did bleach the knots off camera and wash the wig off camera, of course, just to my preference. But again, as I told you guys earlier, you literally do not have to, because that lace was like non-existent straight out the box. So the first thing that I'm doing is throwing this wig on, making sure she is fitting nice and snug, which she was. That elastic band definitely came in handy, and it is adjustable, so you can tighten it or loosen it to whatever your preference is. And I also like to use the combs inside the wig as well, just to make sure the wig is even more secure. So the first thing you want to do is comb those baby hairs back. I think some people kind of get confused when they get those 4C edges because it looks intimidating at first. All you have to do, you guys, is just comb it back or brush it back into the hair, and it'll blend in beautifully, and you guys will see a close-up in a few. Now if you want to add some mousse to it, you can, but I normally don't. I just feel like combing it regularly is good enough. Alright, so I'm coming through with the close-up, you guys. I know you see the lace, we're going to fix that in a second, but look at that hairline. You guys cannot tell me that this is not my hair. Isn't that insane? They did a really good job. So right now I'm just pulling out my own baby hair, and I'm going to show you guys how similar it is to the kinky edges that is on this wig. Again, it looks extremely natural and super realistic. So if you thought that hairline was looking extremely natural, can you guys believe that I didn't even add makeup to it yet? I completely forgot. So I took the wig off, and now I'm just adding some makeup to the very front of that lace, because of course we need it to blend in with my skin color. You don't want to see any of like the white lace or anything like that. But once I throw her back on, you guys, she's going to look extremely natural. Well, even more natural than she was already looking. So that is what it's actually looking like now with the makeup on, you guys. It's looking so realistic and just so effortless too. Wigs like this are just amazing, and they did a really good job at customizing that hairline to make sure that even though it has the 4C edges, it's not too much and it's still looking realistic. You wouldn't even be able to tell that I have a wig on. It's insane. Alright, so now it is time to style the rest of the hair, and to show off this wonderful hairline, I just felt like a side swoop part would be best. So I'm going to be using my wax stick and my hot comb to secure the part in place, but to also make sure that the very top of this wig is laying as flat as possible. And you guys will also see me add some makeup on that part as well. Okay, top of the wig is laying flat, so I wanted to give you guys another close-up, and can you guys believe how natural she is looking? It's crazy. So now it is time to style the rest of the hair, which is definitely like the easiest part. Well, technically the whole wig install was super easy because as y'all saw, all I did was throw her on, correct? But as far as the hair in itself, even though it is a kinky straight texture and it looks very full for a bob, when I mean to tell you guys that this hair took to the flat iron so easy, and it looked like I just came out the salon with a fresh silk press. Like, I was honestly very impressed. I loved the texture of the hair, of course. I loved the fullness of the bob, but I just felt like the bob was just giving natural all around. Like, even though it was super full, it wasn't too much. It was like a real even balance between the density and the hair texture overall. Alright, you guys, so I'm pretty much finished. I'm just adding some final touches. I'm also making sure that the baby hairs is combed back very nicely and you're not seeing the lace or anything like that, just to make sure that everything is just working together perfectly, because we did not use any type of product to secure this wig down. So I really just wanted to make sure that I'm showing off the baby hairs without exposing any lace that's on this wig as well. Okay, you guys, so we are basically finished. Let me know in the comment section down below how natural you think this wig is looking on me and how likely you are to purchase it for yourself. And also, let me know how you feel about the wig overall. Give it a rating of 1 through 10. All of the information will be listed at the very top of the description box down below. If you are interested in a simple wig that looks super realistic with the kinky edges and looks like it's your hair, this is the one for you. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time.